Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's T-E-C-H-T-I-P. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here, your principal with Tech Tip Tuesdays. So many of you may not know this, but before I was the rapping principal, I was a computer teacher at Barnegat High School for 13 years. So I figured now's the time more than ever to provide our students and staff and even parents with technology tips to navigate this new normal of learning. So today I have for you how to organize your Chrome bookmarks so you could open up all tabs with one click, how to make your Google Slides a little more exciting, and how to use add-ons in Google Docs. I'm looking for suggestions of tips and tricks that you would like to learn, so feel free to email me with any ideas you have or training that you would like to receive. I hope you enjoy.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. So did you know you could create a folder in Chrome that will open all tabs you need for the day in one click? You're simply going to right click next to your existing bookmarks and go to Add Folder. You could call this folder whatever you'd like. I'm going to name mine Daily Tabs. You'll then click Save and your folder will appear next to your existing bookmarks. You then simply drag and drop in that folder any tab that you open every single day. If you need to go to other websites, you just simply go to the website. You could highlight the URL and click and drag down into Daily Tabs. And then all you do when you log on your computer in the morning is go to that Daily Tabs, right click, go to Open All Four, and boom. All your websites you use for the day are up in one click. Hey Bulldogs, ever wonder how to bring a little more excitement to your Google Slide presentations or PowerPoint presentations? I got you covered. Actually, Slidesgo.com has you covered. Simply go to their website and view the hundreds and hundreds of templates they have already designed for you. All you need to do is enter in your information. So once you find your design, you're simply going to click on it. It'll bring you to the next page where you could customize the color scheme. So if you click through, you can see those colors changing. Find one you like. And down here has the different slides available within this template. And you're just going to click on Use Google Slides Theme. It'll bring you to another page where you are going to make a copy of it. And then it will take a few minutes for it to upload. When it does, it'll automatically be saved to your Google Drive. And you have your PowerPoint presentation looking good with one click. All you need to do is enter in your information. Hey Bulldogs, speaking of making your Google Slides fun and exciting, we could do the same in Google Docs using add-ons. Do you think I had the time to individually highlight each of these letters and change the font color? No. I did it with an add-on. Simply go up to your add-ons on the toolbar, and you are going to go to Magic Rainbow Unicorns. Yes, that's right. It's called Magic Rainbow Unicorns. So you probably don't have this one installed. You're going to go to Get Add-ons, type it in, and install it, and it'll be located here. So then I'm going to click on it and go to Start, and it pops up on your right-hand side. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to use the default colors, but you could have your start color, end color, whatever you would like it to be. And you're going to highlight the font that you would like to have this effect and go to Start the Rainbow Magic. And boom, done. Just like that in a click of a button.
Hey Bulldogs, don't forget, send me your suggestions or things you'd like to learn to smith@barnegatschools.com. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I will see you next Tuesday.